Welcome back to Preyo Phonie. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to change your Google Play Store country on Android. Want access to apps, games, and content available in another country? Follow these simple steps and update your Play Store region in just a few minutes. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Step 2. Select Payments and Subscriptions from the menu. Then open Payment Methods. Step 3. Scroll down and tap More Payment Settings. Your browser will open the Google Payments page automatically. Step 4. Tap the three-line menu in the top left corner. Then select Settings. Step 5. Find the Country Region section. Tap it to start creating a new country profile. Enjoying this tutorial so far? Subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more quick, practical, and easy-to-follow Android tips. Step 6. Press Continue to proceed with the setup. Choose the country you want to switch to. Step 7. Enter the required address and billing information. Make sure the details match the selected country. Step 8. Review all information carefully before submitting. Then tap Submit to save the changes. Step 9. Wait for Google to process your new country profile. The update may take some time to appear in Play Store. Step 10. Reopen the Play Store and check your account region. Your new country settings should now be active. For more smart Android tips and tech tutorials, like, share, and subscribe to Preyo Phonie so you never miss the next helpful guide.